Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your real name from people on PS4. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS4, go up to the control panel and swipe to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, select Account Management. Next, select Privacy Settings. In Privacy Settings, select Personal Info. There are 3 settings here that you need to change in order to hide your real name. Real name in search, real name in friends list, and real name in games. Change each of those settings to no one. Your real name will now be hidden from others on PSN. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PlayStation tips and tricks.